Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is about hair. Yes, if you're so lazy like me, so lazy, and you need to go out but you don't really like to look bad, especially your hair, this video might help you quick and easy hairstyle for you. So let's start. First, I'm going to apply Vitreous Hair Cuticle Coat for extra shiny and silky smooth hair. Next, I will brush my hair starting at the end up to the top, so no more tangled hair. Because I am so lazy or rushing, I always do this simple braid. Put my hair at one side, divide it into three, and just overlap each other like this. Give it a little pull so you will achieve a little messy look. If you are so lazy to braid your hair at the back, this is a simple hack for you. Get some hair at both sides, divide one side into two, then do the simple braid below your chin. After tying, put your braided hair at the back. And that's it. This next hairstyle is inspired by Princess Jasmine. Put your hair at one side and tie. Get another elastic band and tie 2 or 3 inches below the first one. Next, divide at the middle. Bring your hair in, pull it up, and pull at the side. Then, just do the same. bring all your hair up, give it a little twist, and then wrap it around. And that's it. Lacy or bun hair day, just use a cup or hat. That's all for my lacy hairstyle. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Watch my previous videos right there, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.